Welcome to this data annotation course. Today we are going to talk about why data annotation is such a crucial foundation for artificial intelligence and machine learning. Without the proper data annotation, AI models will not learn properly. So it is a very crucial step for training the AI models. So let's get started. There are three key foundations for the AI models to get it trained. So the first step is the data quality. Data quality of annotation images. Let's say we are taking an image, so the image quality and data annotation quality has to be very accurate. So that's why AI models are getting learned with this annotation accuracy. So we have to be keeping very accurately. We have to follow the quality of the data sets, so we have to make sure that. And the next step comes to teaching the machines. So in terms of teaching the AI, we need the annotation data sets, because without the annotated data sets the AI model will not learn properly. So the annotation data sets is very much required for the AI models to learn. The AI model is nothing like a human. If a newborn baby is going to learn, so we are teaching them how the world works. So the same way the AI models are also learning from a human. So this is what teaching machine is also a very important step. The next step comes ensuring the accuracy. The accuracy of how the AI models are accurately predicting and what is the outcomes of it. So we need to be considering this as well while training the annotation and training the AI models. Everything is accurately measured or not. So these are the three important key factors while doing annotation as well as the AI training. So let's see what is the data annotation. So data annotation is nothing but a collecting of a raw images. So we can see some examples here. We have collected some raw images which are used in our daily life. So we are collecting these images, as well as there are a lot of kinds of files we can able to collect. Not only image, but we can also collect the audios, videos, whatever the terms or file formats we have available, we can collect. And we can, we can collect these raw data sets, and we have to give some information. Like in this example we can take, there are some laptops here, plants, notebook, glasses, phones are available, but machines will not able to identify what kind of objects are present here. So we have to give some kind of classification, which is called as a label. So we have to give the labels to these objects so that the machine learns what kind of objects are present here. So this is a kind of teaching method to the AI model. So this is what called as a data annotation. So let's move on to the next. So why data annotation is important? Because without the data annotation, the models will not able to predict the outcomes exactly what we are looking for. So data annotation is very important for continuous learning, and enables the AI model scalability as well. And it also learns from the labeling data sets. So the label and annotation is very much important for the AI models to recognize the objects and its classifications. So it's very important to know that data annotation plays a key important role while doing the AI models to train. And there are many real world applications are used while for the AI model. So in our nowadays we can see that there are many day-to-day life, we can see that there are many kind of AI models we are using. So let's take an example of a autonomous vehicle. So autonomous vehicle is nothing but it is a AI trained model only, and we are seeing some kind of recommendations in YouTube, Instagram feeds, which is AI model as well. So we are also doing some search engine models or chat GPT. These are all the AI model examples as a real world application where AI has been enabled. So let's see what are the consequences of poor annotation. So if the annotation is done poorly, the AI model will not predict the outcome as per the requirement. It will incorrectly predict the models. And in case of example, like if there is a cat in an image, and the AI model predicts like it is not a cat, it is a dog, then the outcome is not correct. So the prediction will go wrong. So, and the next step is the bias in AI system as well. So there will be some kind of bias and fair discriminating outcomes will be there. And real world failures as well. Example like autonomous vehicle, if they are not able to identify the objects properly, what is coming on from their side, and there will be some kind of accidents or any kind of threat will be happening. So this is very very important step. If the AI annotation is not done properly, there will be many kind of consequences will happen there. Let's take some example of medical diagnostics, where we have to find some kind of tumor or some kind of other detections will be have to be detected, and it is not detecting the proper areas where it has to be detected. And if doctors are going to diagnose and getting surgery done in some other different areas, then it will be a very huge big mistakes and consequences will be faced. So there is a lot of consequences. So we have to be taking ensure that everything has been annotated properly. And then some kind of reworking and re-annotating data sets due to initial errors can be extremely costly and time consuming as well. So we have to make sure there has to be very less reworks and re-annotations are coming from annotations, because if that is happening, rework is happening, then the cost also increases. So we have to make sure everything goes smoothly and there is no kind of poor annotation. So let's see what is the human role in AI. So human intelligence is what making the AI models to predict. So we are the one who are teaching the AI models. So we are taking some files like images, audios, and we are giving some inputs to the model. So we are the front driver. We are teaching the models how to learn. So human role plays a key role in this training the AI model factors. So let's see what are the future of annotation. Future of annotations is booming because AI models are keep on increasing, and there are many kind of data are generated every day. So we have to be keep on implementing some new things. So data annotation roles will be keep on booming in the future. There will be new career opportunities as well. So there will be many kind of data annotation types will be keep on coming. AI assistant, human annotations, pre-labeling annotations, and hybrid approaches can be done with this human plus AI and annotation. We are giving the inputs to the AI model. So there are a lot of things are going to come into the future of data annotation. So the main key takeaways from this is the AI is the backbone, and data annotation is the fundamental of that backbone. Without data annotation, the AI model will never learn. So AI is the key factor. And also the next step is quality matters. The more 100% quality which annotation datasets has been done and trained to that model, the model will predict the outcomes correctly. If the annotation quality is not good at all, the AI model will also not predict correctly. And this is a growing field. There are a lot of opportunities and things to learn here in the artificial domains. So we have to be keep on upgrading ourselves. So this is for the key takeaways from this course. I hope you got some new things to learn from this course. I'll see you into the next course. Thank you.